Ever wondered what kind of plant you're looking at? Meet PictureThis, the app that can identify over 1 million plants, flowers, and trees in just a few seconds. Here's how it works. Simply open the app, take a photo of any plant, or upload one from your gallery, and picture. This uses AI-powered image recognition to instantly tell you what it is. You'll get detailed information like the plant's name, care tips, watering needs, and even if it's toxic to pets. It's like having a botanist right in your pocket. People love this because it doesn't just identify plants. It also helps diagnose plant diseases, track your garden, and keep your plants healthy with reminders. So whether you're a gardening pro or just curious about the world around you, This makes learning about plants fast, fun, and easy.